have here a wooden train set. And take everything out and we're going to play with it. Whoa, look at all these pieces.
I'm going to set these up.
Okay.
I'm going to set these somewhere up.
So it comes with some little instructions on how to put it together. So we are going to assemble it and have some fun. Good job. Yep. And put this one. Turn. And turn. Uh-oh, let's fix it.
The cars won't come that way.
No cars come that way. Okay. We got it put together. It's lots of fun. It's fun for the kids. They can move these pieces around to make it however they want. Has a fun little fishing pond right here that they can actually fish with. So it's really fun, interactive for kids. They can move pieces around and play with the people and the trains. Beep, beep. Okay, look at your choo-choo train.
It's not going to break. It will break a train track.
Sorry, turn around. Road work.
And also put it right here.
Okay.
It's here.
Okay, come go fishing with me. I caught a big one.
I caught a stovefish.
Oh, good job. Oh, I got a little fish.
I need a fishy.
So those wooden train sets, lots of fun, very interactive, fun to put together with your child. It's fun that there's so many different pieces, so you can change it up and play however you want. So it's going to be great to give as a gift or to just have and get for your children.